Here with AccurlUSA and More Machine Tools. I'm here with Jeremy, and we just installed this 10-foot by quarter Accurl shear. Jeremy, I just want to ask you a few questions. How was your overall impression of the machine when you first saw it?
When we first got it, I seen it on the semi, and I was very impressed. I mean, nice, clean look, just real professional looking, and I was excited to get it off the truck.
How do you think when you see it cut and you feel it? I mean, feel like it's a beautiful cut and it's just gonna
Absolutely.
be
I
perfect?
mean, I was impressed, especially compared to our old machine. I mean, just how quiet and smooth it cuts, and just everything about it. I like the safety features and everything on it.
That's good. What did you think of the service and install of it?
It was great. I mean, every time I've talked to Bo over there, and you guys come down, you guys were right on. Every question I've had, you've been great. You know, I've been really impressed. Really quick service, and you know, I was happy for the speed that you guys were able to come down here and take care of it, set it all up, and get it out going for me. So,
Well, we appreciate that. We look forward to our future business together.
all right, thank you.
Thank you.